for people. We are not the real person.
Start over.
Why the no real person, real America?
Because you know what?
Well, I know, I got it, Mama. I got it. But I hear like a real person is real. Okay, we
To
know
be
real America,
a
but
real person, not a human. No, that change what I want to say. To be a human, really have the humanity in yourself. You need to be thankful for the stuff people doing for you. And you need to give. But the give just the positive and just the good stuff. So I'm thankful all of you for anything you're doing for me and each other. You know, we are in kind of in the circle. And I will try, and all of us need to try to give just the best, good energy. And that's why this how we will live in the good world. We will get wherever we want.
I also want to say thank you to Dulce because she always makes this dinner every year for us. Every year is different students and she does this every time for us, and I think you know, don't cry.
I like I said, I can be Mama.
I mean, she's working as we do, and even she takes some time of her time. He have kids and family, and she wants to take this time for share with us this dinner every year. So I just want to say thank you to her, and thanks for this dinner. And
Thank you,
Mama.
Mama. Thank you, thank you.
Now you should say something.
Well, I know. You just said whatever I do this is no way to somebody said, oh wow, look at Dulce do it for us. I do it because I like it, do it. It doesn't matter if I work or I have to work hard, not take a rest. I don't care because I like it. And I like it, you know, have this team with all you guys because I feel like this is my family. We like to have like my family, like that as a chair. And I think my mom, I have the truth to put me sweet, like I'm trying to go like my name sweet all the time with the person. Or sometimes I do like a salting, okay? But anyway, thank you guys. And I know, I find that you guys, good person, good guy. I like to see them everywhere. I can have a little piece to every country. I know her house I can go now. And thank you for my mother-in-law. That was the time be so nice with us
Of
too.
course, and they must came here.
And continue bring plans for her.
Because we don't have a choice.
All the time you bring the plants, you have the door open in your house.